TikTok words you need to know in 2025. Let's go. Slay, slay, meaning to do something amazingly well. For example, you slayed that outfit. NPC, a person who acts without thinking, like a background character in a game. He just standing there, total NPC vibes. Delulu, short from delusional, when you believe something unrealistic. For example, I'm Delulu thinking my crush likes me back. Core, used to describe a vibe or a style. For example, that's giving a cottagecore vibes. Mean character, someone who acts like the story is all about them. For example, walking down the street like I'm the main character. Situationship, a romantic connection without commitment. For example, you're not dating, it's just a situationship. Egg, something small that suddenly turns you off. For example, the way he chews give me the egg. Glow up, a big positive transformation in looks or style. For example, wow, she had a serious glow up. Cap, no cap, cap, lie, no cap, no lie. For example, that story is a cap, no cap, I'm telling the truth. Receipts, proof, usually a screenshot or evidence. Show me the receipts. Low key, something you feel or do quietly, nothing openly. For example, I low-key want to escape the party tonight. Rise, short from charisma, being smooth or charming. For example, he's got a mad rise. Stan, to be a huge fan of someone. For example, I stan this singer so hard. FYP, for you page, TikTok's mean feed. For example, hope this video ends up on your FYP. Ghost, to suddenly cut off contact. For example, he ghosted me after our date. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.